Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for liking, thank you for subscribing, thank you for leaving me a comment. I truly appreciate you. So your girl is still in Manchester. I am still in Manchester. I'm still in Manchester. I'm still enjoying Manchester. So today I'm going to the Manchester Arndale. I'll be meeting up with another YouTube creator. Her name is Tenny Bello. So I'll be meeting her up at Manchester Arndale, and hopefully after I finish from there I can check some other places. So today is like the last full day that I have in Manchester. I'll be leaving tomorrow afternoon, but I'll need to check out in the morning from here, but I'll be leaving in the afternoon. So yeah, so I need to make use of today. Like I need to use today to the full. I need to use it to the brim. Please like, share, subscribe. If you are new here, my name is Victoria, and on this channel I share my Niger lifestyle here in the United Kingdom. If you like any of my content, please become a part of the family by clicking on the subscribe button just there. It is free.
When I win your love, coming to get you, dying to feel your touch. Wish me the best of luck, coming to get you. Wish me the best of luck, trying to steal your hand, coming to get you. Coming to get you, coming to get you. Coming to get you.
So I'm in Manchester Arndale now. I'm still waiting for Tenny. I don't know where she is. Trying to figure out where we'll find ourselves. But here we are, here we are. So I think it's actually just like the into Eldon in Newcastle. So it's like a very big shopping mall here in Manchester. It's at the city center, and there are a lot of people out now. Right now it's around some minutes to 11, and yeah, it's quite filled up. Yeah, so I don't know where exactly or which of the shops I'll be going to or what I'll be doing in here today, but I'm here now, and let's see. See who we got here, and she's here. Hello.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm fine now.
You're looking good.
You too.
So it's only one floor. One floor is got, right?
Huh?
Just one floor.
Yeah. Should we go to the food court?
Yeah, let's go. What happens there?
No, that's just where the food is. I just feel like we can sit down there.
Oh, okay. Right. Because I've actually been looking around. I've been looking for where to sit. I didn't see any chair or anything. I will say more. I want camera people.
I'm not really used
to phone. I want camera people. You know why I don't use cameras?
Why?
I feel like it just like it's what's the word? It draws more attention to me.
Yeah.
So I prefer to use my phone. I know that once I'm using my phone,
it still draws attention.
I might be, and now I have my hands free on, so I might be making a video call for all I care. I might be making a call, so it draws lesser attention compared to camera.
I prefer camera quality. Like the way it's just
honestly, that's why I got an iPhone. Yeah, the quality still makes sense for
how horrible or bad that camera is.
It will still.
There's just a way you just know when you're watching this person that
right. I'll still get though, but I'm thinking it will be more of indoor for me, not really.
You can get
outdoor.
I advise you to get the small ones. Yeah,
like this one,
like
right?
This one.
What camera is this?
Sony A5500.
This is Sony A5000. That's been through thick and thin with you.
Yeah. For the price.
Oh my god.
You got me begging pretty please.
Right, so this is the food court. Got Subway, McDonald's, KFC, Yangtze, Taco Bell, Waffle Island, Chopsticks, And yeah, I think that's all. They've got no African restaurants in here, babe.
There's no African restaurant.
Oh my god, me and African food. My friends will say, can't you just do without African food?
Are you serious?
Yes, now just ditch African food and just eat what they've got there. I said there's no way, I cannot, man. I cannot come.
I think if I go because you're they're taking you to an African restaurant.
I've had African food.
Eh.
Jerry. Like, Jerry. Moti wa wonri. Moti wa wonri Manchester. And you've got really lovely African restaurants here. I've been to Imisi. Is it Imoluwa? I ate their amala and it was wow. Like wow.
The same
Imoluwa.
amala, like.
Yeah, it was the same amala. Like it was amala dudu. Like all makes sense. And the ewedu. In fact, I've never eaten such a ewedu since I got here. It was wonderful. Then I've eaten Ardale's kitchens, jollof rice and fried rice. It was awesome. Like I really love it. You've got really great. Like you people will not be missing African foods at all here.
Yeah, in Manchester.
Yeah.
Oh wow, I didn't know.
Yeah.
Even me, I'm even in Manchester. Even me, I'm in Manchester.
I need to snap a picture. There a good picture spot here that I need to snap. I want to snap picture.
Oh, I wanna know. We're only lovers when we count down. Tell me when to stop. Tell me when to stop, babe. Just keep on dancing like we're night bound. Lovers on the clock. I'll be ready when we go down.
So let's do a 360 degrees of this place. Okay. So we are going to this Chopstick Restaurant. We'll be ordering a Chinese food and I'll be trying that for the very first time. Let's see how it goes. Hello. Not yet. Till when? 11:30. Oh, okay. Thank you. Wow. Yeah, so we are going to try this one now. I think it's a Chinese restaurant also, Yanzi. And I'm just going to go online and check their menu and choose what I'll probably like to have.
요즘 사람들은 더 이상 편지를 쓰지 않아 왜 문자 하나에 다 담길까 그 많은 얘기가 마주보고 하긴 어색한 마음 하얀 종이 위에 펜이 닿았으니 용기내 써내려가 볼게.
So we've gotten the meal. The first place we went to, like I showed, they were telling us we should come back in the next 15 minutes. Can you imagine? Some people do not have business sense. And they have competition. No? Like we now have to go to their competitor to buy this meal. And now they have competition. If you are the only one there in your area now is another thing. But you have a competition.
They don't care now. People are catching up.
And you are now telling us to come back in 10-15 minutes. Anyway, we have bought it and we are ready to dig in. So we both actually forgot our tripod. I actually didn't forget mine. I just decided not to bring it.
Yeah,
And now
it wasn't going to be
see how we are improvising. Here we go, guys. This is egg fried rice and sweet and sour sauce. And what's the second one? The second soup?
beef in black sauce.
Beef in black sauce.
Yeah.
So this is my first time of trying this and I am so excited. And this is their chicken balls. Got this as a side. Chicken balls and some Pepsi.
난 사랑해 좋아해 촌스럽지만 이 이렇게 고백해 멋은 없어도 나 지금 진지해.
So I'm back at the food court because I'm using their Wi-Fi. Their Wi-Fi here is very fast, like very super fast. And then I'm using my phone to record, so I've got very limited space. I'm trying to move my files from the phone to Dropbox, and it requires internet. So their Wi-Fi here is very fast, and that's why I'm back here at the food court. And after I've sorted all my files, I'm going to go out now, and then by that time I'll have had a lot of space in my phone, so I'll just go and then, you know, look around, tour around, make videos, pictures, and, you know, every before I go back to where I stay. Just ordered a McDonald's meal, and see this thing, I've got a lot of it. In fact, I even have one where I won a cup of, I think a cup of drink or something like that. I was actually looking out for it when I went to McDonald's just now so that I can redeem it, but I don't know how I did it. I can't find it. So this I don't even know how it works. I don't think I won anything here, but I will still keep it because they require us to go online and enter a code, so I'll keep it. The same for this.
Sometimes, but you're making me nervous. No, I've realized that I can't live without you. All my friends reassure that it's obvious, and that maybe I'm wasting my time, but I gotta try. The only reason I keep sleeping.
So I'm back outside now, just touring again. I actually moved through this place the other time when I was going with Tenny to the bus stop, so I'm all on my own now.
Wish me the best of luck. I'm gonna win your love, coming to get you, dying to feel.
So after this, I'm just going to find my way, whether I'll take a taxi or I'll take a tram or something. I'll find my way back to where I'm staying, and I'll see you then. So this is the Piccadilly Gardens, the famous Piccadilly Gardens. I think I was here earlier before. Yeah, I was thinking I actually took a tram over there before. That should be 2 days ago. Yeah, it seems like it's the place where I took a tram. So it looks like it, but I don't think it is. Yeah, I don't think it is. Right. Yeah. It's time to go back home.
Coming to get you, coming to get you. Coming to get you.
Hi, sorry, my name is Mary and this is Andrew. Yeah, we're from Dominion City Church. And
Oh, right.
Yeah.
I don't stay here.
Oh, where do
I
you
just
stay?
came Newcastle
are you going back today?
tomorrow.
Oh, there. Okay, that's fine. Yeah, take
All
care,
right,
yeah.
thank you. Bye. So I think I finally found where I took the tram 2 days ago. I think this is the right place. I'm going to double check with my Apple map now, but I'm almost sure this is the place. I can remember these buses stopping at this place. Yeah, I think I'm at the right place now. I don't know Manchester. The time now is 3:30 and this place is very, very less crowded compared to the very first time that I came here. So now I'm just going to clock in and clock out. I think that's the way they do it with trams here. So I've gone to do the contactless payment. I honestly didn't grab how it works at first, but then I went online and checked their website and their instruction was very funny. But I think I've been able to, although when I placed mine over it didn't say okay, but then I tried it again and it was saying that I've used that device twice. So hopefully they won't charge me twice, but I've tried it today. So we are still waiting for the tram. It will be here in the next few minutes.
To be honest, and then maybe I'm wasting my time, but I gotta